Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Wood here. I'm going to talk to you today about compound words. Now, I'm guessing that in first grade you talked about compound words before, so this might be a review for you. Compound words are words that are made up of two smaller words. So a compound word is two smaller words that come together to make a new word. So on this page I have three pictures. I want you to see if you can think about what compound words we could use to name each picture. After you've thought about the compound word, I want you to think about what two words make up that compound word. Let's check and see how you did. Here are our examples. So the first picture shows a backpack. Backpack is made up of two smaller words. It's made up of the words back and pack. So we take those two small words, back and pack, and we put them together to make the word backpack. My second picture shows a campfire. Campfire is made up of two smaller words. It's made up of the word camp and the word fire. Those two smaller words come together to create the word campfire. And my third picture shows a sunset. The word sunset is made up of the words sun and set. So all three of these compound words are made up of two smaller words. We put those words together to make a new word, a compound word. Now it's your turn. In Seesaw, you are going to practice creating compound words. So you're going to complete the compound words activity that's assigned to your Seesaw. Remember to read all the directions. Make sure you click the Add Response button. And then when you're finished, be sure to click that green check mark in the top right corner to add to your journal. Good luck. We can't wait to see your work.